I could never quite relate with artists who say that they don't really enjoy selling or giving away their art just because they've become too attached to it. And I understand why you would. There's nothing wrong with that. I think I just come from a whole different philosophy. I think it's beautiful to be able to share with somebody a piece of art that you made. It's like you're sharing this symbol, this intimate, this vulnerable thing that you've made. It's basically pieces of your inner realm that you were able to materialize. And to be able to share that with somebody, promote a sense of meaning and reflection through it, I think that's the ultimate goal, really. Not just sharing on social media either. It's like, legit carving out the talisman in your cave and then lunging it into the outside world, setting it free. I think that's what it's all about. I feel like with art, I'm kind of a parent to these pieces that I make because I essentially birth them and then I nurture and grow them until they can stand on their own and live a fulfilling life as a piece of art that shares meaning with whoever else engages with it. I think that's the beautiful part. It's a conduit of meaning, and to not want to let it go would be kind of like a parent trapping a kid in a room their whole life. The kid needs to see the world and make waves. I think as an artist, it's just my duty. I'm a messenger. I'm a seeker. I'm an alchemist. I create meaning out of seemingly nothing. Scratch materials, and to be able to do that and then share it with the world. That's the most beautiful thing in the world. Solidify this meaning to the human experience. I think it's my job to share it. It connects people, and meaning is what bonds us together. It moves us forward. And why should I become attached to my art when I know full well that art came from me? It lives within me. And at any given moment, I can puke it all out on a canvas again if I wanted to. What makes me think I couldn't create it again, if not better? So, yeah, that's it.